Okay. Active. So while that is loading, like I said in the last class, before you can these five proposed formula for for writing your proposals are hook. You need to discuss the hook of the content of your document, the relevance. That is, you have to now understand the industry that business you are applying into. As you also need to do a little research on them. You write a brief solution outlining your approach on how you would solve their problem. So just like you coming up with a problem, identifying a problem statement and now getting a solution, building a solution for that problem statement. So you write a social proof, that's a reference, reference a specific result you've already done before. That is, let me say, either in that particular area or something closer that may mix that pattern or that particular problem. Then we call to action. I will wait for the Upwork account to load up. Okay, click on get started. So like I said from last week, there are two clients on this. Okay, sorry, I don't think I should use clients in this one. So there are two users, one the client and one the freelancer. So if you're using, if you click on clients, you're the one hiring. If you click on freelancer, you are the one offering the gig. So you make sure you click on freelancer. The page is loading. Continue as continue with Google. This is the faster way of logging in. So when you come up with asking you to choose your Google account, whichever one you want to use. Selected. It's, it's loading, the lane a little bit. Okay, let's try using it. Please confirm if you can see my screen, please. Okay. So now a confirmation email was sent, message was sent to my email. I'll go to my Gmail now. I'll wait for this to. Okay. Go to Gmail. Wait for that to load. I'm saving for easy login next time. So let's wait. Okay. So you receive an Upwork notification as the title of the email. Please, if possible, pay attention. Like, try to document if it's difficult for you to follow the steps. Try to write them down so that it will be easier for you when you're doing on your own. So this was the email we received. Okay. It's still loading. Loading. Okay, we can proceed now. Just been told about. Hmm? I clicked on resend email. So now we click on verify email. This is the confirmation email address, message I was waiting for. Please, I hope we are following. So, what the process we are going through now is getting confirmed. That is confirming our login into the Upwork account. Because every login you make while registering, a confirmation letter is sent to your email address, which you need to verify there before proceeding. If you're facing network issue, just be patient, and if it's on the call, you can go off and come back, or you turn on your airplane mode and turn it off and come back to the class. I believe it will be better. Okay, right. I'm saying congratulations, your account is verified. So, most mistakes most persons make when they are writing their applications for their proposals for any application they're trying to make, they tend to make this make mistakes of repeating, copying and pasting the previous proposal they sent to another company, which might have had a different problem statement. They will now they copy that same proposal to send to a new one. That is not okay. That's an error. So everyone should pay attention to that when writing a proposal. Make sure you read what the requirements of your employer, what they need, what their problem is. Understand what they really want, so that you'll be able to communicate it with essence in your proposal while you're applying for that opportunity. Because there are many more persons more experienced. Um, so, so I'm gonna say the early bird catches the worm. There are some persons who applied earlier than you. So, but we are also looking for people who have the technical know-how, people who are able to communicate, see the need, their what that their desire, what they are seeking for, and they're able to provide it to them. You say, hey, okay, so that is something you should look at. No generic opening. That is, I am interested in statement like I am interested in your project. No, you don't need something like that. So, and it shouldn't sound beggarly when making. So, okay, the next page is the create profile page based on our link. The Please, can you see my screen? Keep screen on and off on this other screen here. I hope you guys are seeing it. So you click on. Oh. So when the thing is, when you proceed from the other points, you get to the next screen is showing you on the link create profile. So you click on get started. It takes you to another slide. That is another screen, which is experience. I don't know why screen is not showing. I'm coming. Let me do something about that so that you'll be able to see my screen. It's up now, Abby. Please indicate if you can see. Okay, sorry about that. Please, yeah, let's move on. So, like I said before now, the screen which I saw was create profile. Let me go back so that you see also. This was the previous screen. So you click on get started, then it takes you to the next screen, the experience screen. So it says a few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? So those who have idea about this space, who have used it before, maybe on this class they are creating a new account, you can choose I have some experience, I'm an expert. But if this is your first time, you select I am brand new to this and you click on next. So I believe that when making use of a mobile phone, the screen might be different because laptop screens and mobile screens are built differently. All right. So the next screen I have here is the goal screen, which is got okay, got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? So do you want to earn that? Do you want this to be your main income? Do you want to make money on the side? That's the side hustle. Do you want it for experience to help you for food for a full-time job, or I don't have a goal in mind yet. So you select anyone that fits your current position. So we are going with to earn my income. I click on next. Seems like today's network is wonderful. So the next thing we have there is work preference. So the work preference. So and how would you like to work? So some the two options we have here says I would like to find opportunities myself. The other one is I would like to package up my work for clients to buy. So we'll be looking for opportunities ourselves. This is something you can change with time based on how well you've been using the platform and how you understand and the growth you attain in the process. So you can now switch to providing the packages, just like we did for what's it called? You can also provide jobs too. So all of that you can switch at any time. So next create a profile. Okay, so there's something we're supposed to. So there is a box we're supposed to tick down there. So I'll tick that. So I'll go back so you see that fast. So we selected brand new. Right here we selected to earn main my main income. Loading. Please, are you all with me? Okay. All right. So, like I said, on the work preference screen, it says, how would you like to work? Either you want to find opportunities, you select. If you want to package up your work for clients to buy, that is, define your services with price and timeline, just like we did for Fiverr, and we'll list it into a project catalog. While the other option is you like to find opportunities, which is clients post jobs on the talent marketplace. You have your own. So down below, you are open to box it. First, you have to highlight that first. Click on next, create profile.
I can't see your screen.
Then how would you? The next screen is it's coming. The network is down. So, but you saw the last action I took in the previous screen, right?
The only the only part you saw is the work preference.
Okay, the work experience, the work preference.
Work preference. Yes.
Okay, I said in that you have there are two options there to select. Either you want to work as the either you want to find opportunities, or you want to package up your work and you sell to the client, just like we did in Fiverr. But in this case, we want to search for the job. So this is something you can change later on. So we selected, I would like to find opportunities. If you're following, you will see this, what I'm saying on your screen there. So I would like to find opportunities. That's the one we are selecting. And below those two cards options, you have I'm open to contracts to hire opportunities. So this one opens you up for any situation where the job you applied for an instance now decides that they want to work with you further, like have a further contract with you to for a full-time opportunity. So you will not be found wanting at that time. But you're prepared. So we are selecting that option. We'll tick that box below and click next, create a profile. Let me resolve my screen display so I will follow. Okay. Sure. Let me reshare. Let me stop the sharing and reshare again. Okay. Check now. It should be showing now. right. So yeah, on this screen we'll click on. It says, how would you like to tell us about yourself? It's either if you have your LinkedIn account fully or set up and all your informations are right there, you can use the import LinkedIn option. If you have your resume available and you feel like all the informations you want are also in there, you can use. Let me open them one after the other, and so that we'll see what each provides. So this, you say upload your LinkedIn profile. Says you'll see an instruction which says upload your saved LinkedIn PDF. That is, just with the guideline there on the screen, you see how to save your LinkedIn profile as a PDF, file. So you can upload that. Clicking on upload your saved PDF, it will take you to your file explorer if you're using a system or your or file manager on your phone. So you can now go select that particular file and upload. So for the case of uploading your resume, when you when okay, when you click on it, you see a purple screen says add your resume. So in the case of a laptop, you can drag and drop. I believe in the case of a phone, when you click choose a file, it takes you to your file manager. You get that document, resume, and you upload it there. So would you guys want us to have it try any of the upload your resume, or want us to do fill out manually?
Upload your resume.
Upload your resume. Okay. Let me access mine. Okay, I believe in the last class we did the manual aspect of it. It is a good choice. Coming. Let me access it. It's taking some time to access. Okay, here I'm coming. First one. I'm coming. Okay. I see my screen. So we are trying to add your resume method instead of doing fill out manually. For those who the network is disturbing. It's still uploading. It's taking too long. So I'm making use of a laptop. And the network is disturbing it. Wait, I'm being shown that I need to do this again. I'm being shown upload service is unavailable. Please try again. Let me share my screen. I'm refreshing to get enough for you to see my screen. So I want everybody on this call, everyone on the call to just on the message section type the niche you've selected and the proposed in your heart that you'll be using for Upwork for this Upwork account. Just put it down there in the message as a part of the call. So like I said earlier, for those joining again, you can type out your on this call, the chat section, type out your niche you're about to use for this Upwork account. Sharing again. Okay. All right. So we trying that process over again. Upload your resume. So I can see most persons are applying as photo for photography, data annotations, and website design. Are these the only three persons in this call? You're on this call. Please, you all should do well to participate, please, and not just on the call, also in the project that has been given to help you, in grading and certification. Please do well to do the previous assignment that was given. So we have customer representative, education, educator, and or tutor. Okay, right. So Mr. Maxwell. Okay, sorry about that, Miss Miriam Maxwell. What area would you want to go? So okay, the resume has completed. Okay, mathematics. The upload has completed. Can you see my screen? Please confirm if you can see my screen. All right, good.
Yeah, we can see your thing.
Thank you. So right here, the next screen is the categories screen. It asks, so what kind of work are you here to do? Myself, I'll be going for data science and analytics. So in that, when you select under the select category, I selected data science and analytics. So right here we have in our options we have customer representative. So I believe um, Martin Samuel, are you on the call?
I can hear you. I'm on
So
the call.
turn on your mic. Turn on your mic. Uh-huh. So if you can see my screen, there's the option for select category. Does that
Yes.
sales and marketing does that cover your option, the one you
Yes.
selected?
Sales and marketing and customer service. Yes.
Okay, there is also customer service up there. There's also among the category there's customer service. So maybe if that is better, you can. Okay, that should be better. You select that. For website design, there is web, mobile, and software dev. That will be your option. So within the space of customer service, there is two different specialities. There's community, okay, specialties. There's community management and tagging. There's customer service and tech support. So you know which specialty you want to go in, you select that will help you. Why for data annotation, you select data science and analytics. So within that space, you have about four different specialties: data analysis and testing, data extraction slash ETL, there's data mining and management, there's AI and machine learning. So whichever which one that satisfy your current skill level, you select. While you still have the option for photography, which is design and creativity. So in design and creativity category, you have photography amongst the skills there, amongst the specialties. Educator, tutor. Let's see. Miriam, is Miriam on the call
Yes,
for
sir.
better understanding? Okay, so if you can see my screen, right? So you selected
Yes.
mathematics facilitator. Sorry, what's it called? A tutor or educator. So based on the selected the categories you see here, which where do you think your skill set, your specialty falls under? So you have admin support, accounting and consulting. No, you have customer service. There is IT and networking. There is legal. No, that's for law. There is sales and marketing. No, translation. So where do you feel like you will be able to your specialty will apply much better?
So what about this
Right.
customer service?
Okay, customer service. So if you're selecting customer service, do you feel like your specialty is um within customer service and tech support or management and tagging? So you can still decide to do
I
research
think
on that. So okay,
accounting and
Mr. Ridwan, you want to say
consulting,
something?
I think under the specialty, I think there is a that personal and professional coaching.
Okay, 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 okay. Mm, all right, all right. Thank you very much for that, Mr. Ridwan. So you can select personal and professional coaching for the accounting under the accounting category. So I think I've been able to help every person here based on your choice. So we'll proceed now. Myself, I'm selecting data science and analytics, specialty AI and ML, data analytics and testing, and data extraction. Can you still see my screen, please? Indicate. If you cannot see, please also indicate. If you can't see, indicate. Because I'm not seeing it on my second screen here. Alright, if everyone can see, I say nearly there. Okay, what work are you here to do? That's the next question you're being asked. What work are you here to do? So what's your skill? What skill are you here to offer too? What skills do you have? Artificial intelligence, selecting, machine learning, analytic presentation, model development, data extraction, data analysis, agriculture mining, ETL. So those are the ones I'll select. So in as much as you have, you can add there. You can go ahead and search, use the search engine there. You'll be given more options based on keyword search. So help yourself. This will also help you um, gain traction to modules. So if so, I'm selecting these skills because I have them and I can solve problem statements on these skills. So if anybody should post, any client should post any job concerning this particular aspect or skills, requiring these skills, I can easily apply for them because I have them as part of what I can do already. And in the case of, just like for Fiverr, in keyword search, if the client is looking for someone directly they want to offer the job to, let me say if you're not applying as, what was the second option? Where you offer the service. That means you build your portfolio, you build the skill, let me say the product, and you offer it to the client. That one is a different approach. So you're now being searched. Those opportunities come based on search engines, that search optimization based on keywords. So if already I have on my skill level some certain skills that if the client search for on Fiverr, I will be part of, my name will also be part of, my profile will also be part of those accounts that will come up. So pay attention to that too when you when you're typing out your skills. So it helps, just breaking them down into chunks helps a lot. I think we have gotten to max. I haven't yet. Okay, we'll proceed with this. To feel like admin, data testing, yeah, pipeline. I'm taking out uh, that's essential. Okay, where is this? So in your own, when you're building your own, pay attention to all of this too. It will help you. Say, God, now add a title to tell the world what you do. So just as we did in Fiverr, this is the title I'll be using, not changing it. So AI model development, AI and machine learning, AI model development and artificial intelligence. So this can be changed later on. Whatever I put now can be changed later on. That. Okay. I'll wait for it to load for the next page to open up. Okay. Says here's what you've told us about your experience. Any more to add? That is based on. I think we should all also try using this create the option of adding your resume, because right here the experience I've had automatically has been added to the experience I've had has been added to the okay? Automatically has been added to Upwork. So it's being showed there. So anyway, it. So so I'm taking out this one. Taking out this one. So can you see my screen please? Okay, that is gone. So we have the option for other options here. So this method makes it much easier. So you already have these experiences uploaded, um, added the to the account. I'll click on add next, add your education. Okay, so from the choice I made from the beginning of uploading my resume, my educational background has also been added. So that is, you know, I'll click on next, add languages. Okay, I need to share. Okay, so add next, add languages. Oh,
That's your name.
okay, I'm coming now. Sure. Can you see now? Okay. So the next slide is languages. As much as you can speak English bilingual, if you speak French to the level you can speak, you select. So if it's basic, if it's conversational, if it's fluent, if it's native, you select. So we'll go with this two. Next. Okay, I think from the previous class we had is this should be from our previous class. Added this. So it's okay, it says now write a bio to tell the world about yourself. If it's difficult for you to write, you can send your give ChatGPT your resume and tell it to write out an engaging and attractive professional bio for your Upwork account. And it will indeed minimum of 4,000 characters. It will generate that for you. You can just carry and paste. Simple. Or you can see when it generates that, you copy and take paraphrase it if you like for better understanding, and if you want it to sound more personal, if you really want yourself to write it. So it says mine here is I specialize in developing scalable AI solutions that drive real world impact, backed by over 12 years of experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Not that old. Okay. All right. So over 6 years of experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning, my hands-on expertise includes AI model development, web technologies, and digital media creation, allowing me to blend technical innovation with competent storytelling. I thrive in team environments and excel under pressure, ensuring projects are completed on time and to the highest standard. Whether I'm working as technical lead or creative director, I leverage my diverse skill sets to tackle complex challenges and deliver results. So that's mine. You can go ahead to set yours up already. You see a mini profile, your profile already, like I said. So we say next, set your rate, the price rate, your rate. That's what you want to charge per hour mostly. $200,000. All right. So now let's set our hourly rate. How much do you charge per hour? Don't forget you add your VAT, your VAT. If possibly you're thinking about you have the thought about contingencies, you can still add that to your charge so that you will not be working and complaining. Hmm? So I'll do this. So I'm taking 50. You can choose whatever you want to choose personally, and this can be changed later on. Okay, to your service fee. Okay, based on what we selected, the service fee is five minus $5. That means per hour we paid five. Sorry, $45. So add photo and location. All right. So now you before you publish, you have to add some personal information data to help, like I said, from Fiverr. Make sure by now, I believe we should have our professional photographs ready by now from Fiverr creation. So please excuse me for some minutes. Okay, you select your your professional photo you want to use. So if you don't have one, if you have any portraits that you feel like your face is good on, I don't want to spoil people's job. Try to go and snap a professional photograph. Um, okay. Let's do. Wait a minute. So okay, now I remember I had shared a pool on the group for those who would want for okay for us to vote if we would be wanting personal as a personal short videos that are short videos on the progress of the course so far. But I cannot be doing this whole thing we do for 2 hours in form of short videos. What I want us to do is for those who have voted that option, you write where you missed it so that I'll be able to group each problem, like people with similar problems, in one and deliver the short videos in that aspect. So I'll be able to solve everyone's problem at once without missing it. Well, if you have, okay, Mr. Joshua, what do you want to say?
Okay, I want to ask if it's possible that we contact you on a like on a normal day that's not a class day, maybe to show you what you've done so far. Would you be able to assess our progress if we should? Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you.
You can. I hope you got that.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Joshua.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Thank
All
you.
right,
I,
let's
I can.
proceed. I believe you got that. You can if you want to. So for others, I really want to know the aspects you want the video to be all about.
Hear you. Thank
What do you want me to treat in the video? Which part did you have issues in the course of this whole journey thus far? So we spoke about identifying your niche day one, the perfect platform for your niche, and even as a beginner. Then we spoke about creating the first account in that particular platform and the best way to also operate on those platform on that particular platform um, to get jobs faster and also give yourself a good publicity right in that space. So we've gone as far as also treating creating account for Fiverr and Upwork, which we're also doing now. How to write how to create your portfolio, and now we are also talking about doing proposal. So I really want to know which aspect we are having this issue so that solutions will come in that way. Do you understand? Please, I need replies. I want to be sure that people are hearing me on this. All right. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right. Okay. So phone number 9. The zip code. You add your zip code and postal. That's postal, right? Zip or postal code. And you can browse that out. It's not difficult. Somebody should charge 2,000 naira to get postal code. Chobara. Chofoba. Okay. 500. Okay. Let's put our code. PH. Okay, we are done here. So we're able to add the profile picture, date of birth, country, street. If you have time, postal code. First select the city. Select Port Harcourt. Okay, then review your profile. I hope you are seeing the screen here. So this is my profile fully created. It shows my name, my location, current time, my title, my bio, my hourly rate, what I charge, my skills. Okay, work history. Oh yeah. So your education and the rest. And then you can click on submit profile. Bim. So I've submitted my profile already. So your profile is ready now. You need to connect to feed on jobs. So you can aid yourself in this whole process by upgrading your status to just like in LinkedIn. You can pay to get premium service plus services and the rest. So 100 connects monthly. If you want to upgrade, you can still check about their payment plans, what it like and what it offers, what it will help you do. So it's a connect are virtual tokens you use to pursue jobs and start learning. Like I said earlier, just as I told you guys when we treated Fiverr, make sure you communicate. Okay, this is what we'll do. I think this will be the assignment, the third assignment. Um, if possible, someone should also take note of this thing I'll be saying, because it just came to my mind now. You can still type it in the group later for me. I'll expand on that. So what we'll do is each person would come to the platform there on the group and post your skill. Tell us what you can do. That's you write your skill, your name, and what you can do. Likewise, that's everybody should do that. Then I want, based on those answers we get, will now the subsequent 2 days to ask in the group there people who need such services. So people would indicate that they want such services and one way or the other in any medium, small, medium scale, large scale. So you with the technical know-how or the knowledge, you'll be given the opportunity to handle that project. And that would also help you to help that also help you build your profile. So this will be done on your accounts, your Fiverr and Upwork accounts, so that you will know that the job came through Fiverr and it was also delivered through that means. But when you're posting it there, the client will give you ratings and all of the person you did the job for will give you ratings and all of that. So that's how you could also harness this particular position you're in right now as a copper. So you have more than 100 persons around you. As 100, I believe in the camp we made a lot of connects. So reach out to those guys. I'm new to Fiverr, I'm new to Upwork. I can help you create accounts. If you cannot, I'll create the account for you. What you do, whatever problem you have or job you have, you would normally want to give out to somebody to do and pay for. I can either do it for free for you or at a very discounted price. Don't forget the person is doing you a favor. So in order for you to be able to get those jobs you really desire, you need to get knowledge of it one way or the other. So the person helps you connect that way. So you build your profile effectively, you gain strength in that space. So like we mentioned before, the algorithm works by your presence. So just as you do social media, that's how you ought to also be present in this space too. It will help you a lot. You don't do something, make sure your account is shows that this account is working. So you click on continue without bidding. If you want to make that purchase for and to upgrade to connect more persons, so you can go ahead to click on upgrade already. Today we'll do without bidding. Bidding. Okay, we are here now. Please, can you all see my screen? Bodies. So in most cases, it also helps though, but like sorry, the person asking about if you have to buy connections before you can get jobs. It's not necessary. No, like so you can always have create your account. You can still get connections, get jobs and the rest. So your if you want to do more, like build more connections, your visibility and all of that, you connect just as you do in LinkedIn, and you can decide to subscribe for that and pay for that. It will still help. It's a booster. Let's put it that way. But focus on building quality products and delivering well. And make sure that you're also applying for jobs that you are supposed to apply for, that is within your level, your scope. Don't go and become in among, don't go beyond your jurisdiction so that you will not struggle. Your level, go for jobs in that particular level for the meantime so that you get paid because most jobs desire some level of expertise and require a certain level of connections and all of that. So at this current stage, go for the small jobs, but still try to go big too. But don't put that as your main focus. But your focus should be to deliver quality at all times. So that also builds your connection too. Try to upload projects. So we have so there are jobs available here. Like you said before, you looking for jobs for please once I want to speak about that, I really want you all to partake in it. You don't know who is going to by the end of the day get that job from this exercise. So fingers crossed, put your mind to it. Every opportunity is a blessing and should be used wisely. So make use of this opportunity, apply for those three jobs, write different proposals for each job. For each job, write out three different proposals. I think that would be the first, the proposal creating will be the first YouTube short I'll be posting. Yes, that will be the first YouTube short to be posting. And from there, whatever one, any area people want me to now talk about, create video for, I'll now start doing that. But proposal creating will be the first video we'll be posting there. So I think we're going to be calling it a wrap for today. Thank you all for being a part of today's class. It was amazing. I believe you all got something today better than previous days, and maybe you'll be able to now create your own account effectively. And also, yes, and who should I select to do this now? Let me see. Mr. Uche, where's your question? Carry on. Miss Damilola, you can carry on. What's your question?
All right, I'm good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes. Okay, so I think this is my first time speaking on this class, and my question goes thus: I have once opened an Upwork account a very long time ago. Then they don't even use Connect then, but trying to get jobs and all, it was not clicking. Then I just left it. So now, just through the course of the program and all, and I don't know, is it safe for me to just open a brand new one and just use all these teachings starting afresh, or can I still go back and check if I can revive that and all? What would be the best advice you can give?
Create a new one and use the approach from this.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. But I also hope your the previous one you made was not, you did not attach VPN and all of that to it. Did you?
No, no, I did not use VPN.
Hello?
I did not use VPN.
Okay, all right. Okay. So just follow along. Thank you. Okay, I think you'll be the one to do this for me, Ms. Damilola. Can you hear
Eh?
me? so so I said something earlier where I spoke about you all posting your skill sets
Okay.
and asking for anyone with a problem statement, or who wants anyone with a job opportunity who has a problem that he wants someone to solve for him. You get?
Okay, but all right. Sorry,
Let me
before
say
you
now, amongst your
okay, sorry, before you continue, sir, please.
you
The thing is
understand,
that
right?
yes, but I need to say something. Please, apologies, sir. I think while we started the old program, I think I once told
Uh,
the
what
sister
did you
always
say?
calling me that I said most times when I come to this thing, like I don't start the programs, the classes with you all. I'm always having a program an hour, the first hour, a physical program I attend. And I told the anchor this, I think when we started the class that time. So like this today's class now, I started past 9. So what I normally do is I just go and watch the video posted. That's what I try to catch on. So this today now I have to wait for when they post the video to understand the whole concept of what you have taught today. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I do.
I'm always the first 1 hour I have a physical program
Okay.
I always attend to.
You?
Apology.
All right.
So I think this task should go to someone who attend the program from the beginning, so the person can understand it much better than I do.
No problem. No problem. You're all
Apology.
right. You're fine. Thank you. So okay, and this is what I wanted to say. Mr. Uche, you post on the group, on the WhatsApp group, that I want everyone should submit the link to their Fiverr accounts that they've created. Mr. Uche, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Yes, sir.
You post on the group, tag from the instructor. Everyone should post their Fiverr account, their created Fiverr account on the group.
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, any other question, please, before we. And don't. Okay, another thing is a quick reminder: the assignment is still there, and the Google Drive link is still empty. Nobody has done the assignment. I've spoken earlier about the need and the necessity of those projects which were given as assignments. It will determine your score and the reason why you should get the certificate, because the LMS will be giving out the certificate based on the aggregates it gets. So I really want you all to do those assignments so that you will literally get the certificate for this particular course. And also I'll be waiting to see folder within it for those links. So you send the links there while you submit your assignment. If you cannot do it there, you can still do it on your WhatsApp. I'll get that. Thank you. Thank you for participating. Once more, this program was brought to you by NITDA in collaboration with Body Literacy for Nigeria. It was an amazing class, and I believe you all got something in addition to what you already knew before. And hope to actually see you or participate fully. I mean, also try to use your intelligence to come up with to help yourself get what you want.